Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab Active3. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings and now enter display. Right here we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list where we can change display mode between light and dark. And also we can schedule the dark mode. Next you can change brightness level of the screen manually or via adaptive brightness. Then we can enable eye comfort shield and change color temperature of the eye comfort shield mode. Next we can change font size and style, change screen zoom, change screen timeout, enable smart sidebar, taskbar, change navigation type between buttons and swipe gestures, enable touch sensitivity function and set screensaver. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.